friends, welcome to Tikka Meeta. A sauce can enhance the taste of any dish and make it more tastier. And what better to get an easy and fast recipe. Today I'm going to show you all how to make a very quick Schezwan sauce, my style. So let's get started. To make Schezwan sauce my style, you will need very few ingredients. 1 finely chopped onion, 8 to 10 garlic pods finely chopped, 2 tablespoons of oil, 3 to 4 tablespoons of chili sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce. In a pan, pour the oil and let it get hot. Add the garlic and sauté it for 2 to 3 minutes. Add the chopped onions and fry the onions with the garlic for another 5 to 10 minutes. Add salt and fry it till it turns golden brown. Once it turns golden brown, remove the mixture and let it cool down. Then, one by one, add the sauce. First the tomato sauce, and then the chili sauce. And that's it. Your easy Schezwan sauce is ready. You can serve this Schezwan sauce with chips or any dish of your liking. If you have liked my video, give a thumbs up. Enjoy cooking and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till next, ciao!